Design a smart trust using fuzzy logic algorithm. Introduction of my research are first, waste segregation is necessary for a sustainable society. The current recycling process requires recycling facility to sort the waste by hand and use a series of lock filter to separate object more clearly. Consumer can also be confused about determining the correct way to dispose of the various material used in packaging. Waste has become a national and even international problem, so its management must be done collectively, comprehensive, and integrated. In managing waste properly, knowledge about the type of waste is needed. In supporting the Indonesian Ministry of Environment and Forestry in 2090, the government must provide understanding and educating to the public about waste. This education is needed because Indonesia is the second largest producer of plastic waste globally. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the waste generated to be more than usual. Mask, face shield, and other medical waste, most of which can only be used once. Increase the waste and food delivery activity have also contributed to the increase the waste generated during the pandemic. So we need solution to monitor garbage. Waste segregation is significant, but supervision and people responsibility for picking and cleaning trash in several locations are very necessary. However, until now, monitoring or supervision of trash bin is still done manually. So that officer must routinely pick up trash even though the trash can has no content or even the trash can has exceeded the capacity of the place. This will take a long time and will reduce the performance of the waste officer in carrying out his work. We said that it will also require created costs and is very ineffective. On the other hand, one of the factors that cause people to little is the condition of the trash bin being dirty and also due to the accumulation of garbage. The prototype of a smart garbage, which makes some people reluctant to dispose of the trash in its place. With rapid of technology, this problem should be have resolved. In other study, real-time monitoring system for trash bin was designed and sent notification to garbage collection. The system is based on Internet of Things and Android, integrated with Firebase real-time database and Firebase cloud managing. The system use MQTT protocol. Data acquisition via Internet of Things use the message query telemetry transport. And then other study have built a telemetry system for monitoring waste in the reservoir and also to provide education to the public so as not litter. A warning system by SMS, short message service will be sent by the system when the measure waste volume is full using ultrasonic proximity sensor. The result of testing the performance of the sensor when measuring the distance of the object compared to the actual distance obtain a maximum error value of 0.25%. And then other study about waste management is the sensor can monitoring about volume and about gases in the garbage, and then sensor can work will at the distance about 5 centimeter to 40 centimeter. From the result of the literature study, the author make a decision for a smart safe place using the algorithm of fuzzy logic. In the study, we use an experimental research approach. Experimental research method is a research method to test whether the variable in the experiment are effective or not. The task can use an ultrasonic sensor to detect the height and load cell-based weight sensor to weigh the trash in the trash can. The SP32 will process the input from the ultrasonic sensor and weight sensor, then detect the height of the trash bin and the weight of the trash if it's not full. Then SP32 will instruct the actuator to open the trash can over and vice versa. The height of the litter and the weight of the litter may vary. Therefore, a falsification process is needed to determine the status of the trash bin in opening in the lid and close the trash can based on the height of the trash and the weight of the trash. The fuzzy logic allow membership value between 0 and 1, gray level, black and white level. In my experiment, I use design by software design and electronic design. Software design develop is based on identification, sensor reading, and then a rule is made on the MATLAB software. The rule on the falsification are used reference in making the main program to open and close the trash. In design the software, the Arduino IDE software is used to embed the program on the ESP32 board. The Arduino IDE itself uses the Arduino programming language based on the C++ programming language. In the study, ESP32 is used sensor value reading and convert the shape unit. The weight sensor reading will convert the gram and ultrasound sensor reading will convert to centimeter. And then electronic design. In electronic design, I use FreeSync software to create wiring diagram to make it easier for research to assembly and reduce connection error between components. In this center of peaks is ESP32 or not MCU V3 development board based on ESP32 microcontroller which used in component to connect ultrasound sensor and connecting to load cell sensor using digital pin. The task made in this study use the ultrasonic sensor to detect height of the truss can load, and the weight sensor use the load cell with IC HH711. The ESP32 microcontroller will process the data from ultrasound sensor and load cell sensor to detect the height, and the truss can be detecting its full or empty. And then fuzzy logic design in the feature number 1 or feature in left is ultrasonic sensor as input, weight sensor or load sensor as input too, and then will falsification use Mamdani, and then output can load the input sensor. In the member of input sensor, especially ultrasonic, is divided into 4 sets, namely empty, medium, full, and very full. These 4 sets are based on the height of the truss in the truss can. This number from is used to facilitate the creation of falsification rule. Membership of input weight sensor use 3 membership, is namely empty, and then EV and very EV. These 3 sets are the base of kilogram or gram measure. The set is based on the weight of the garbage in the truss. After that, falsification output, the action variable in so write down in feature number 4 or write down. The set of output is very good, less good, and bad. The 4 group are action taken by garbage cleaning officer. Of the 4 set in output falsification, the variables and ESP32 for processing are only good and very bad variable, because the 2 variable will be used for command to open and close the truss can. In this feature of falsification rule, in applying system, the author must follow the rule and make coding or program with this rule. The rule will be used reference coding the program from this figure. It can explain that if the ultrasonic sensor read a value between 25 until 30 centimeter and weight sensor read weight between 50 until 20 kilogram, it will take action to open the truss cover. If the ultrasonic read value between 50 until 20 centimeter, but the weight sensor read a weight of more than 20 kilograms, the truss can will remain open. Meanwhile, if the ultrasound sensor reads a value of less than 10 centimeter and the weight sensor read a weight of more than 25 kilogram, the truss can will be closed and it is no longer allowed to throw garbage in the trash can. The simulation of the MATLAB software, it will produce a surface graph, and then in my journal, after simulate, I use sensor and ESP32 to real simulate. In the object of result is object distance with sensor and the result open or close cover of garbage. If distance 30 centimeter and weight sensor 0 kilogram, the result is close open is very good. And if object distance 0 and weight sensor 40 kilograms is close and it not open, the result is bad. And then conclusion of my research are based on the conclusion of the discussion of the research that has been done. It is conclude that the accuracy of the fuzzy logic algorithm in determining the action of opening and closing the truss can has a level of 100% so that the expect action is following the system. And the second conclusion is from the test made, the accuracy of the ultrasound sensor has a deviation of 20%. At the same time, the deviation of load cell weight sensor is 1%. The implication of the research into profit confinement for garbage officer in maximizing effective cleaning of trash bins and reducing the accumulation of the trash that occurs. That's all my explain about my journal. Thank you very much.